Hello everybody, I am at QwikWash America here in McKinney, Texas, and I'm going to be taking my car through the car wash. I have a coupon for a free $15 car wash for being a new resident of Texas that they sent me in the mail. So there's a long line of cars, so I'm going to stop the video here. I'm just getting the exterior, I'm not getting the full service car wash, as you can see. And with that being said, I'm going to stop it here for now. Alright, we're going to be going in soon. This is going to be so cool. I don't know what kind of brand this is, but it has superior dryers. So I'm going to assume this might be vintage, but we're going to find out in a little bit. Sure. This might be a Ryko, but I can't tell. Write in the comments below if what brand this is. That's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to stop the video here.